Did you know that you can create a welcome email with Substack? To be honest, I didn't. When I first started using Substack, I had no idea that there was an opportunity to send a welcome email. Well, one of the things that I know as a marketer is that welcome email is the best performing email that you can send to your customers, readers. In fact, it has 60% open rate. And because of that, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a brand that I have subscribed to their newsletter and what they did well. And I'm going to show you how I have used this to inspire me and to create a welcome email. A few weeks ago, I subscribed to a local bakery's newsletter. When I subscribed, to be honest, I didn't expect much. I expected to get this one of those emails, welcome, thank you for being here. First thing it actually captured me, it was the headline, an oven warm welcome. It welcomes me straight away. When I clicked on it, the first thing I saw is that moving image. It is a GIF. It represents the brand quite well. We also can see in one line they're able to inspire. One good thing leads to another. That's one phrase caught my attention straight away. And it wasn't this corporate kind of generic line, but it's something that is authentic to the brand. And it really represented quite well. It's just in a single line, they have been able to spark curiosity, optimism. It is really how you need to think about when you create your Substack. What is the first thing when people open your welcome email? What type of welcome would you like to create? So let's have a look at a little bit further. As you can see, they don't have like a huge message. It is very much like a few single lines. And in the first line, we can see, hello, welcome. We're happy to have you here. And then the next line, it talks about the community. Since community is at the heart of everything we do. In this single line, are able to tie everything around their mission, their values. And again, with your Substack, make sure that you are able to tell your story in the first couple of lines because you want to tell people why they have subscribed to your newsletter. And of course, we have a bit more here. Is this a welcoming gift? I don't know about you, but I love gifts. I have analyzed over 100 emails on Substacks. And one thing that stood out is a lot of them are upgrade to my publication, buy my products. But what this brand is using here is they're not just saying, come and buy coffee from our shop. They're actually giving you a gift. And when I received this email, I immediately took action. I love free coffee. So who does and how you can use in your Substack newsletter. Make sure that when someone subscribes to your publication, give something for free. Give them something of your best resources and welcome people to your publication in a way that really helps them take action. This welcoming email does three things really well. It inspires, it talks about their vision, their values, and it finally gives you something to take away, to take action. So let's have a look at how I have used those principles and I utilized in my Substack welcoming email. So now let's have a look at my own welcoming email. So I opened this email with the line, thank you for being here. It is a simple line, but I wanted people to feel welcome. I wanted to express my gratitude. I wanted readers to feel that this is a space where they can be truly at themselves. Next, you can see this line, a slow pace to return back to yourself. It is that line really captures the spirit of this space. It is a space for readers to pause, to reconnect, and also to create from this grounded place. So next, I have used my own personal picture. I really wanted to stand out in all of the AI content out there. I wanted to create this experience for people to actually see who is behind this publication, who is writing, who is the face behind it. I wanted to make it as human as possible. And I wanted to really build that trust and warmth that there is an actual human behind the words of this publication. Then I move into a short paragraph about who I am and what this publication offers. Follow up with 3 clear points what the subscribers they can get by joining these publications. Also, I wanted to give something back to my readers, and I've included this free gift for people to use to set up their Substack homepage. It is practical, but it's also symbolic. It says you don't just have to read, you can create something of your own. I wanted people to come and take something and build something on their own. Finally, I encourage people to comment back. I really like to have conversation with my readers, so I encourage them to reply to this email. And finally, I share a few pieces to explore. Those are the one of the most loved essays. So now readers can start and see the heart behind this publication. So altogether, this structure turns a welcome email into something more intentional. It welcomes, it introduces, and also gives value. When it comes to your Substack email, it's all about you sharing the heart behind your own Substack, giving something of value, and share what your publication stands.
To edit your emails, click to your dashboards and then click here settings and then choose emails. You will be given 2 options. One is to edit your welcome email to paid subscribers or one a free subscriber. You can edit your welcome emails free subscribers. Now you can edit your subject line, you can add images, you can write your message, and finally, once you're ready, you can click save. Now your welcome email will automatically go to your every new reader who subscribes. If you would like a little help crafting what to say inside that email, you can download my free Substack welcome email template. The link is below.
Thank you so much for being here. I hope this video has been helpful. You can grab your welcoming email template down below and click on the link. You will subscribe to my publication. It's free. And also, you can find more resources for your seasons of transition. I really hope that you find more clarity and purpose and build your own thing. Until next time, thank you so much for being here. Let me know in the comments if this has been helpful. And until next time, bye bye.